Alright, we're gonna make the fastest beat they've ever seen. We're gonna make the fastest beat they've ever seen. Again, I recommend everybody use templates. So I have a template that I use for everything, which pretty much I just, whatever project that you like, just save as a template. And then once you save it, it'll pop up here. And now everything I use is a template, so you can see all my stuff is right here. Alright, let's just get into it. So let's just go here. I'm gonna make it fast beat right here. The quantize is already on, so I don't gotta worry about that. And then that's just, I use Ultra Beat. I knew people use the other sampler. I've just been doing this for years. So Cymatics has so many dope stuff. I'm just gonna add another. Oh, that sounds good. Ready? See that? So simple that is. Right here. And then the quantize helps me out. Right here. Turn that down a little bit. And then this is my little new trick that I've been doing. So it's right here. Oh, I see that. Turn this thing off. So I can. I saw some weird stuff. I just did Control J to loop it together, so you can't really hear that. So what I do is select all of these, Control, and then shift them over just like a little bit right here. So you can hear more. It's turning pretty good. And now the favorite part is adding the instruments. You could throw in, you know what I've been doing actually recently? I've been adding, well, let's just use this. I already have the Star Roads, but just because I'm on here, let's just find one of my favorites, Dark Pad 2. Watch this. And then the magic comes over here. Saying? And then this is my new thing. I'm going over time. It's already 4 minutes. Dang. Let's make this simple. So the main thing on the sampler, don't even add anything to it, just oh, I'm blocking my face, my bad. So again, I just do everything based off of transposing, so I guess there's no transposing that needs to happen here. So